Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match all non-numbers. The last challenge showed how to search for digits using the shortcut \d with lowercase t. You can also search for non-digits using a similar shortcut that uses an uppercase D instead. The shortcut to look for non-digit characters is \and capital D. This is equal to character class where we use caret in front of 0 to 9 inside the square bracket, which looks for a single character that is not number between 0 and 9. Use the shorthand character class for digits \d in capital to count how many non-digits are in movie title. So in this case, just we have to use \d and g. We are using global flag for checking the repeated use. Let's run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.